Hello everybody, this is Alexandros, this is Andrea, and we come from the Island of Cyprus, and we're going to be doing a new Bachata advanced move. It's got a little bit of footwork, a little bit of everything, and as we do now work on the channel with music, you can watch it here first or after, and here I'm going to break it down a little bit so you can learn it. Take any piece you like and apply it to your style. Let's get going. Now, first there is a little step for the ladies. Now this is like a choreography, and you might be thinking, okay, if it's a choreography, how will I lead my lady to it? If she does also a little bit Dominican or Moderna, you can lead her on this side. She can do anything she likes within the 8 and then lead her back to the front. Now this will be just a suggestion. First we'll do it on this side and then on the other side so the ladies can do it with your partners. We're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're in a closed position, you're going to go with the hands position. Then we go forward, ladies go back 1, step to the side, both 2. Now here ladies, cross with your right in front, guys back with the left. Guys, make sure you turn your body so you turn the lady as well. She will step behind, a little rotation step, pam pam, and voila, she's ready. Now as I said, it's not the best angle for you ladies to learn this, so I'll do it one time here and I'll continue for the move. So first we have the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we start from 1 to the side 2, then step forward on 3, to the side 4. Cross behind on 5, now this is a little tango rotation, 6, step on 7, and the 8. Now we've done it slow, but when I said and the 8, the lady goes double the speed. So if this was a regular timing, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. So there's a little acceleration there. So the lady can do any style she wants there, this is just a suggestion. Guys, with no delay, straight away give her a full turn, and hold on to this. You can use her own hand to throw it and turn around yourselves to the right and catch it. Now let's go back to our regular side for that one. So the lady has done her little part and we turn in 1, 2, 3 so the guys can see better too. 5, turn to the right, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you adjust the hand. Now bend down guys and let the lady walk. 1, 2, turn her to you, 3, 4. 5, 6, you're going to pull her in, lifting up the left hand, 5, 6, 7, 8, execute a body wave. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will turn her this way, and look what I'm going to be doing on this side, 5, 6, we're going to throw behind and then catch up with the same right and unroll the lady. So let's have the hand again, so you know what's happening there. We go throw the hand and turn the lady. We have to do that by 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you're walking, 5, 6, 7, 8. It won't be really easy for the lady to take the step, but we can have a very nice here hand lock. Keep the left down on the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, while you're holding the lady also with your left hand. Now let go with the left and just push her to go for a turn. 5, 6, grab the hand again. 7, 8. Now we're again in a nice side to side position. We're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 to do 2 body waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now even if it's off the beat, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, what I do here, I roll the lady out, the hand, and I push it out and in. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That helps to push. 5, 6, very fast opening, 7, 8, guys make sure you turn, and now you're going to grab the other hand, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you lean to the right, both of you, then 1, 2, touch on your chest, 3, 4, touch on your chest, 5, 6, lean, and make sure you open up now to give the lady 7, 8, double turn and create a good resistance because you're going to bring her back with 2 turns, but this time not as fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 turns in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab the left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or down, or still here. Bring left to right next to each other. Down here, and as you're about to lift, forget about that and lean towards your left side. Lift up the lady by rotating. You can go back to your basic, do another wave, push the lady back, or do another combination. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment and rate. Click that bell icon so we can vibrate there every time we get a new video up. See you later.